PDP confirms real National Secretary at NEC Meeting. Welcome, country people, to NEC Media. Abeg, if you never subscribe to our channel, make you do so now. Make you put on your notification button. It go notify you of our updates. Make you like, comment, and share our videos. The National Executive Committee, NEC, of the People's Democratic Party don confirm Senator Samuel Anyanwu as the party's National Secretary. This confirmation show they announced am on Monday, and the acting national chairman of the party, Umar Damagun, now announced am after the NEC meeting when they hold at the PDP National Secretariat for Abuja. During the meeting, party leaders them review key issues when they affect the fortunes of the party, and they can make several resolutions. And these resolutions include the decision to officially confirm Anyanwu for that position. This development show it can put an end to recent internal disputes and questions over the secretary position, as the NEC can maintain say the decision is stand as final. Meanwhile, the party say e don fully unite. E say no more divisions, no coalition, no camps, no rival groups when they work outside the party structure. The chairman of the PDP Governors Forum and Bauchi State Governor, Bala Mohammed, can they address concerns over speculations about internal struggles, defection reports, or secret coalitions. He said the party dey focused on its role to shape Nigerian political future and also overcome recent challenges without enough scatter. He can explain, say although the party don experience some internal disagreements in the past, he said but all those issues, they don resolve them through the efforts of the National Working Committee, wey they call NWC. According to Bala Mohammed, the public arguments and press statements when they cause confusion in the past, it don't stop now. He can talk and commend the Board of Trustees, members of the National Assembly, and state-level leaders, say they keep the party stable, especially for grassroots areas where the support remains strong. He can praise the state chairman, say that they manage the party affairs effectively, even when money not today. He can address the claims of some recent defections. The Bauchi governor say such stories, then they push them to create tension and to paint the PDP as weak. He can insist, say those narratives do not reflect the current state of the party. He can also further talk, say no need for any side meetings or coalitions outside the official structure of the party. He had say the National Working Committee now, they enjoy full support from all PDP leaders. According to Bala Mohammed, say the governors and other key members, they work together and they share the same goal to keep the PDP strong. Country people, this development now sharing one for the People's Democratic Party, because the earlier reports when it come out, they say now two different meetings, then be the hold. The one group they loyal to the acting chairman Umar Damagun, when they insist, say Senator Samuel Anyanwu will be the secretary of the party, and the other group, when one deputy chairman from the south be the lead, and that one also get members of the National Working Committee and BOT, when they back am, say Anyanwu not get part for the PDP again. But from the story when they come now, from waiting Damagun and Bala Mohammed they talk, it come be like say the PDP don't find a way to manage the situation when it play out on Monday. And apparently now they speak the mind of all the groups to say no more groupings. And also they give indication, say they're not there for any coalition. They talk now, say no more side meetings. That Anyanwu now be the confirmed secretary of the People's Democratic Party. If this story is they confirmed, say not true, and that is, say the other parties then don't accept this decision, then na good start for the People's Democratic Party. Say they go pick up the gauntlet and they go do the race proper to provide effective opposition to the ruling All Progressives Congress, and make them quick put their house in order so that they go file for elective positions as they strategize for the next cycle of elections for some states for the country, only go lead up to the 2027 presidential elections. And if they fit put their house in order, nothing go fit stop them. Say they not go fit even, re-emerge as the party in power, all things being equal. So coming from Damagun and Bala Mohammed, now good news as political watchers. They say it is possible, say PDP don't be united again, and the prayer for them make this rancor and division not rear up in ugly head, make it not come be like say they don't go back again to the trenches to continue this war of attrition. Country people, this na the story from the PDP house. Una share.